As a team of bike enthusiasts, we are always looking for ways to improve and enhance a bike ride, whether one plans to go mountain biking or wishes to acquire intense cycling. While a GPS computer is much of an afterthought for some casual riders, it still holds its ground as the most critical biking gear for beginner, intermediate, and advanced riders. This portable device has the ability to preview your speed and can be even more functional in several ways, from being an odometer to sharing the cycling dynamics. In order to get the most out of it, you must be acquainted with all its features and other attributes. So, let's move on to a comprehensive video of CYCPLUS M2 bike GPS computer review. Features. After reviewing this attractive yet subtle GPS computer 2022, our team confirmed the following characteristics. The U-block chip present in the device is from Switzerland, which supports 4 global satellite navigation systems. It comes with a GPS active antenna that renders faster, accurate positioning than the normal version. It automatically goes on sleep mode when there is no motion from your side that needs to be saved. Manual backlight is easily accessible via just a push on a button. This backlight is pretty helpful for those of you who like to extend their trip or journey up till dusk or after sundown. The manual backlight renders better visibility at night, which makes it easy for you to read the display. It also provides you with the freedom to control it manually. This GPS cycling computer is highly compatible with Untitled devices, which allows you to acquire and update all the data to your phone while syncing with Strava via XO. The most basic feature of the CYCPLUS M2 is the sensors it supports: average speed, power, altitude, odometer, cadence, and heart rate are just some of the sensors that we are sharing with you over here. Another amazing attribute of this GPS computer is that you can use this Best Buy computer even while it's being recharged. 2.5-inch LCD screen, 30 hours use, auto standby, and IPX6 grade waterproof are several other characteristics of this device which we will discuss further in the product details. Concluding the features here, we will move towards the in-depth understanding of a few attributes of this GPS computer through the product details. What we like. The info and details provided up till now basically, or almost represent the GPS bike computer review for the CYCPLUS M2 bike. But there are still some specific elements left to discuss this product that literally made us like it. The device automatically powers off and pauses if it is not in use. The 2.5-inch screen is compact enough to provide you with all the data you need, clearly both during the day and night. The BLF of 0.0 makes the process of synchronizing data to a mobile phone pretty seamless. Along with the 30 hours of long running time, you get 16 MB internal memory to save your riding history or cycling data. Once your CYCPLUS M2 is connected to the GPS, you can download all your cycling data through XO app. It has also adopted the GPS active antenna, allowing better signal receiving ability. The CYCPLUS M2 hasn't particularly brought something new to the table regarding its functions in comparison to the known GPS computer, but the new model is undoubtedly equipped with a more compact and impressive design that makes it appealing to even casual riders. Unlike the former model, the M2 has an appearance of a hockey puck and weighs way less than the known. What we don't like. If you start using the device yourself, you'll find that there is not much to complain about the CYCPLUS M2. The brand can brainstorm about the customization issue to make it personalized for the user in their next model. But for now, this device alone can work for you amazingly with the functions it performs. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe this channel and leave your comment in the comment section below. What do you think about this particular model?